Okay, this is part 2 to Lefty. Lefty part 2. And we're taking this from measure 14. Alright, measure 14, we're starting out with some 7-stroke rolls on 2 and 4. So once again, it's going to start with a rest, and it's a left hand single on the high drum. Rest. Okay, once again, those two measures again, 14 and 15, rest. Measure 16. Once again, measure 16. Alright, measure 14 and 15 and 16. Rest. 1, 2, ready, go, rest. Okay, once we release on the left, in measure 17, we're going to play an upbeat paradiddle. Upbeat paradiddle diddle. Alright. So we're going to put them all together. Starts with that rest again. 1, 2, same spot, rest. Alright, so now we've got 15, 16, 17. So now we're up to measure 18. Measure 18, starting with a downbeat. That's the release. I'm sorry, starting with a downbeat on the high drum. And then we're going to play a single stroke roll, drum to drum. And then there's going to be a combination of rolls after that. So it's rest, rest, rest. Okay, in measure 19, you're going to play another Radamaku. Notice the double tap on the left, that's the beginning of the Radamaku. So the phrase goes rest. Put them both together, you've got rest, rest, rest. Okay, once again, 14, 15, up to there. Rest, 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 rest. Okay, so once we release there, we're going to rest again, and you've got to play this. I'm sorry. Once again, you're releasing on that Radamaku. Rest. And the next set of diddles into that next measure. So those two combined measures are 20 and 21. Starting with that left. Rest. Now we're up to the last measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20, 22. We're going to play an inverted paradiddle. Notice the double left. Alright? Rest. I'm sorry. Rest. Into a 4. Rest. Rest. So put them all together for measure 14 again. It's rest. Two, 3. Rest. 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 I'm sorry. From 19, rest, 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 rest. Okay, so now we're up to measure 23. We're releasing from that 4, and that left hand ends over here. And then we get another rest, rest, 23 again, starting with that rest, or I should say that left hand, rest, rest, and there's no rest, I'm sorry. I'm going to go directly into a set of singles. From that left hand, release. So 23 and 24 again, rest, rest. I'm sorry, no rest again. So now we're releasing with our right hand over here, and then we're going to play a set of singles that contains a Ranamaku. That's the whole thing, starting with that right hand. I hope that's easy. Once again from measure 3, and we'll add that in, and obviously that releases into 26. So measure 23, again from the left hand, rest, okay, once again 23, left hand, 1, 2, ready, go, rest, I'm sorry, rest, okay, that's that last set of singles. So you're going to rest for the rest of that measure. You're going to come in on measure 27 with a double stop, rest, and those are a paradiddle into diddle diddles, rest, repeat, I'm sorry, let me do that again, that's a split flam. Measure 27, rest, repeat, now we just play 29 again. That's the 16 notes, right? Alright, that's a long phrase. So I'm going to put it together again from measure 27, the repeated paradiddle phrase. Rest, repeat, rest, rest, rest. I'm sorry. So there's that repeat again. So once again from measure 27, rest, repeat, rest, 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 rest. Notice in 32 we're changing those paradiddles to single stroke rolls. Rest. I'm going to take it from measure 27 again. Rest. Repeat. Rest, rest, rest. Whoops. 31. Rest, 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 rest. And that's the whole thing. So from measure 23, I'll play from 23 to the end one more time. So give that a try if you can. Try it with me. Starting with the left hand. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. Rest. Repeat. 2, 3. Rest. Again. Rest. Rest. and that ends it. I hope that helps.